Hello everyone and welcome back to another video about the technical aspects of your diamond, and let's just jump into it. Today I will be discussing the color of your diamond. Now we use the alphabet to determine that, and we start at the color D up until Z. Now you're probably wondering why we use D. Well, give me your answer in the comment section of why you think we start at the color D. Now as we go down the scale, you'll see we'll go to a bit more of a yellowish diamond. But if we look at the colors D, E and F, now those are your whitest of your white diamonds and also seen as your investment diamonds. But they are more expensive than your other white diamonds. So like I said, with your clarity, if you want to go with a bit lower clarity on the bottom of the diamond, here you can do basically the same. You can go down until the color J, as you will set up white in any of the metal of your choice, be that rose gold, platinum, silver, etc. Now, another question we do get quite often is what happens if it surpasses the color Z? Now, remember, Mother Nature doesn't know about the scale, we created it ourselves. Now, we call those fancy colors. And as well as you get your fancy yellow, you also get your blue diamond, your red diamond, green diamond, etc. Now, here in Cullinan, we are famous for our blue diamond. And we also do have from the top best quality blue diamonds in the world. Because our diamond mine produces blue diamonds that are found 5 times deeper than your normal diamond. And that is all you need to know about the color of your diamond. Please like and subscribe, and then I will see you next week about the cut of your diamond. Enjoy the rest of your week.